going to use nested rows to recreate this global footer. We have a few videos on nested rows. It is a new feature of Divi 5, and I highly recommend checking those videos out also. So I'm going to add a new row. Then I'm going to add a new row. I'm going to add 4 columns. This first one will be an image module. Next one will be a text module. And the remaining ones will also be text modules. This needs to be 5 columns. Okay, and the remaining are text modules as well. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste all of these modules. First, I'm going to add the image here. Let's actually add the new logo. Okay, and then here I'm going to do quick links. This will be a heading 5. I'm going to copy the styles, paste the styles. There we go. And one last thing, this is a H5 preset. Let's make all of these H5 presets. We actually have a few videos on presets. They are another new feature of Divi 5 that has the potential to speed up web design using Divi. This is going to be about. Copy and paste the styles. I need to do that for the remaining 2 also. Paste styles. Paste styles. This is going to be an H5. Contact. Okay, I'm going to save the draft. Let's copy the module and paste the module for each of these. Just so this video isn't too long. And we'll do the same for each of these columns. So copy module, no, paste module. Copy module, paste module. Okay, save draft. And that is how you create a custom global footer using nested rows and copy and pasting modules. This has the potential to greatly speed up web design using Divi. Okay, that's the end of the video. Remember to like the video, leave comments below the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel.